In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim a video in Adobe Express. Start by opening Adobe Express. On the main screen, locate the Explore Quick Actions option and click on it. Scroll down until you find the Trim Video option and select it. Next, either drag and drop your video file directly into the Upload section or click on the Upload area to browse and select a video from your device. Once your video is uploaded, you'll see it displayed on the timeline. To trim the video, simply drag the edges of the timeline from either side to set your desired start and end points. As you adjust the timeline, the updated start and end times will be displayed on the screen. Alternatively, you can manually enter the exact start and end times to ensure precise trimming. If you wish to change the video layout, options for adjusting the aspect ratio are available. Additionally, enabling the fill screen option will expand your video to cover the entire canvas. You can then reposition and resize the video as needed. Once your trimming and adjustments are complete, click on the Download button to save the video to your device. If you'd like to make further edits, such as adding text, effects, or animations, you can click on the Open in Editor option. After completing your additional edits, click on Download once again. Select MP4 as the preferred format, adjust the resolution if needed, and download your file. This is how you can trim a video in Adobe Express.